Hello everyone, today I want to present my project called FarmMind Lite, which is a platform that consists of simple tools for small-scale farmers. As I live in Uzbekistan, I've seen problems among farmers. One of, some of those problems are, as you can see, water scarcity and waste from poor irrigation timing, and then most farmers get exploited by middlemen due to lack of price information, or maybe inaccurate planning for harvests and income can lead to debt. And then farmers do not have tools to detect crop diseases, which is why they detect diseases lately, causing big losses. And then for farmers do not often have direct buyers, so they have ready crops, they're ready produced, but they don't have buyers. And I'm offering my solutions to these existing problems with this platform called FarmMind Lite. It's a simple free web app with practical tools. It has these sections like irrigation reminders, market prices, harvest estimator, disease detection, and marketplace. So let's start from the marketplace. Here you can see the home page of this platform, and you can like get started, and here you can see the sign up page. I have already created two accounts for this platform. First one is an account for a farmer, and second one is an account for a buyer. So let's start from farmer account. Here we can see the marketplace. Marketplace is used to list crops and buyers. It's used to connect buyers with farmers. So in the marketplace, farmers can add new listings, like add their crops, add the crops they want to sell. And here we can see I added a crop called potato, a crop type called potato, and I'm selling them for 40 cents per kilogram. I have 100 I will have 100 kilograms of them by September. And here you can see the location, and I can delete my listing. Or if we look at the buyer page, we can see these crops in the marketplace, and the buyer can contact with the farmer directly. So then we have buyer requests in the marketplace where you can request like crops maybe produced. So I want to buy 100 kilograms of onion today, like it's February 7th, 2026. We're Tashkent. I want fresh vegetables. If you post this request is seen by farmers. So here we go. We can see a new request, onion by Sherlock, who is a buyer. As you can see, he wants fresh vegetables, and farmers can contact with buyers directly. So then farmers have analytics where they can see their and like statistics, how many people saw their crops or something like that. Then our platform consists of irrigation reminder systems where you can pick a crop and planting date, and then the platform will generate water saving schedules for you. So here you can see irrigation and key reminder system. We select a crop, let's say maize, and then where we want to plant this crop in Tashkent region. So planting date is, let's say on January January 2026. So if we generate schedule, we can see the tailored schedule for maize. So germination happens on this date and pollination happens on this date. We can save this to my farm, and here we can see this in the farm. We can delete our irrigation schedules, and then we have an AI doctor which helps you detect diseases early. So you upload a photo of plants, and then the system will itself identify issues. The AI system will itself identify issues. So let's upload a photo of a diseased crop, let's say a plant, and we have issue detected. If we upload a healthy crop, what happens? Yeah, it's healthy, but magnesium deficiency is detected in this crop. So, like, as you can see, the severity is moderate. And we have trends like you can see the prices of various vegetables, fruits in your area or in other regions. So let's say we want to add today's wheat price. So we went to a local market and found out about wheat price, and we want to share it with others. In Tashkent, wheat price is around, so it lowered to 40%, I mean, cents per kilogram. And if we submit report, as we can see, the graph lowered for wheat, so verified by 2 farmers. Then we have an estimator which helps you estimate your profit based on cotton type, and I mean based on crop type. And then if you choose tomato, how how many hectares? Let's say 1 hectare, or maybe uh, 0.3 hectare. We buy seeds, we buy fertilizer, but we don't use labor, and yield at risk is 27%. As you can see, we can make from $1,605 to $3,248, and it like calculated the price by 50 cents per kilogram for tomato. Then we can compare this statistics with another crop. If we want to plant potato, we can use this statistic, like we can make more profit from tomato compared to potato. Hello everyone, today I want to present my project called FarmMind Lite, which is a platform that consists of simple tools for small-scale farmers. As I live in Uzbekistan, I've seen problems among farmers. Some of those problems are, as you can see, water scarcity and waste from poor irrigation timing. And then most farmers get exploited by middlemen due to lack of price information, or maybe inaccurate planning for harvests and